अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं चिकन खुरमा। चलो शुरू करते हैं। दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द ईजीएस्ट खुरमास, बहुत आसान है बनाना। Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil to a cooker. You can even make it in an open pan. Once the oil becomes hot, add 2 each of sabut garam masala, long patta and ilachi. Once they release their aroma, add onions. This is 2 big onions sliced. These are the rest of the ingredients. Saute the onions till golden brown. Once the onions turn golden brown, add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste and 3/4 tablespoons of ginger paste and saute well. Saute till they lose their raw smell. Grind 3 tomatoes medium size to a fine paste and add the mixture to the onions and saute well. Rinse out the mixie jar with a 1/4 cup of water and add to the mix. Now add 1.5 teaspoons of chilli powder, 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix well and stir till the oil leaves the sides. Now add the coriander leaves, pudina leaves and the 2 green chillies, kothmir pudina or hari mirch. Mix well with the masala. Once the oil leaves the sides, add the chicken and saute well till the chicken changes color. Once the chicken is sauteed well, add 2 to 3 potatoes cut into halves. I have taken medium sized potatoes. You can avoid potatoes if you don't like them. Add 1/2 cup to 1 cup of water depending on the consistency that you would like your curry to have. Once the curry starts boiling, add the juice of 1/2 a lemon. Add 1/2 cup of finely ground coconut. Close the lid and pressure cook for 2 whistles. If you're cooking in an open pan, cook till the chicken is done. Allow the pressure to reduce by itself before opening the cooker. Now check if the consistency is enough to your liking. Garnish with coriander leaves. And that's it. Chicken khorma is now ready to serve. This is the final look. You can reduce the amount of oil used. This is slightly thinner in consistency to be had with rice. If you reduce it a little more and make it of thicker consistency, it can be used with paratha or rotis as well. As always, list of ingredients is given in the description box. Thank you for watching.